Have you ever been driving on base and all of a sudden you hear this voice coming from the sky about some pretty nasty weather coming in? Or have you ever tried calling the base operator, but instead you get this disgruntled voice on the other line telling you what the real base operator number is? Well, that's the command post. I'm going to tell you about the three main functions of the command post. Then I'm going to tell you about who we deal with as agencies on a regular basis. And then I'm going to tell you about the different command posts around the world. Now, there are three primary functions in the command post. We have our console operations, our training, and our reports. Console operations is the biggest part. They're the ones who take all of our regulations and all of our publications, and they develop exactly what we're supposed to do according to those regulations, and they build quick reaction checklists. Quick reaction checklists guide us in any event. They tell us what to do, or they can help us decide what to do based on controller judgment. Now, training takes all that information from console operations and they put it into effect. They show the controllers how to do the job correctly. And then that sets them up for when they actually get certified to sit on the console and they can perform their duties correctly. Next is reports. Reports, now, in any event that happens, any significant event, more than likely we're going to have to report it. If it's a big event such as a bomb threat or an unfortunate death, we're going to have to report it to higher headquarters. And more than likely, the guys up at the Pentagon are going to see this. So, our training and our console ops helps reports to develop checklists and see all the regulations so that we can safely report to headquarters. Now, for the different agencies that we talk to, more than likely we're going to be hand in hand with security forces. If something happens, a car accident or anything with them having to respond, we're going to know about it. They're going to report it to us or vice versa. If we hear about it first, we're going to call them. We're buddies on most bases. Then we also deal with maintenance. And we deal with aerial port squadron, and it really depends on what kind of base. Which leads me into my next topic. The different bases around the world have different command posts per their mission. At an AETC base, there's not quite so much a mission. They deal more so with the tech school and all that, but we deal more with the people. That's who we care about. Now, for an AMC, Air Mobility Wing, we deal more with the aircraft. We're going to go hand in hand with maintenance on how the aircraft are doing, or aerial port squadron and making sure our passengers are okay, our air crews are safe and well rested and have everything they need. Now where I'm at a munition support squadron, and we primarily exercise. We exercise all the time. We have several every year. We don't actually have a real mission unless something real world happens and we have a serious threat to the United States. Now I've told you the primary functions of the command post, what agencies we deal with, and the command posts around the world. Thank you.